Welcome to our channel. Changing privacy settings on Safari helps protect your browsing data and enhances your online security. Step 1. Open Safari on your Mac or iOS device. Step 2. On Mac, click Safari in the menu bar and select Preferences. On iOS, open Settings and scroll down to Safari. Step 3. Navigate to the Privacy tab or section. Step 4. Enable Prevent cross-site tracking to stop websites from tracking you across different sites. Step 5. Adjust cookie settings by choosing to block all cookies or allow only from websites you visit. Step 6. Enable Hide IP address to prevent websites from tracking your location. Step 7. Review and manage website data by clicking Manage Website Data and removing data from sites you don't trust. Step 8. Consider enabling private browsing mode for additional privacy during specific browsing sessions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.